In a world of uncertainty, where markets are shaky and inflation is threatening your savings, there's one investment that stands tall and doesn't flinch, even in the toughest of times. And no, it's not stocks, bonds, or real estate. It's something that's been trusted for centuries to preserve wealth when everything else seems to crumble: gold. Right now, the financial headlines are filled with worrying news. The US dollar is weakening, inflation is at its highest in decades, and more Americans are worried about their retirement funds losing value. Just look at what's been happening with the banks, one collapse after another. We're talking about banks that were once considered too big to fail, now faltering in the face of economic pressure. It's a reminder that no investment is truly safe when the system itself is under strain. But there is one way to protect your wealth from this ongoing chaos, and that's through a gold IRA. Now, you may be asking, why gold? Well, gold is the ultimate hedge against financial instability. Unlike paper assets that can lose value overnight, gold has stood the test of time, consistently holding its value for thousands of years. It doesn't matter if we're in a bear market or if inflation is soaring, gold remains a solid, reliable investment. It's the asset that keeps its value, even when other assets are plummeting. Just think about this. When inflation was hitting the highest levels in the 1970s, gold skyrocketed, and in times of political uncertainty, like the 2008 financial crisis, it surged again. This pattern isn't random, it's a proven history, and with today's economic climate, rising interest rates, banks struggling, and the growing threat of a recession, gold is once again the safest bet to protect your hard-earned savings. But here's the catch. Many people still don't know how to take advantage of this. It's not just about buying physical gold. It's about setting up a gold IRA, a special retirement account that lets you invest in precious metals while keeping your retirement savings secure. But, and here's the important part, it's not for everyone. Some people are still making the mistake of trusting their 401ks and IRAs to volatile markets, or worse, relying on free silver gimmicks that do nothing to protect their wealth in the long run. So, how can you make sure you're not one of those people left exposed when the market drops again? Well, it's simple. Take a few minutes to learn about how a gold IRA works and how it can protect your retirement funds. We've created a free, no-obligation gold IRA guide, and it's packed with information on how to diversify your retirement portfolio in a way that ensures your money isn't vulnerable to market crashes or inflation. Plus, you'll get a personal consultation with one of our experts to walk you through everything. No pressure, no high-pressure sales tactics, just one-on-one education on how a gold IRA might be the right move for you. But here's the thing. This offer isn't for everyone. It's only for those who are serious about protecting their wealth. If you've worked hard to build your savings, you deserve to make sure it lasts, for you and for future generations. This isn't about buying a product. It's about securing your financial future. And if you're someone who has $100,000 or more in your IRA or 401k, this guide is exactly what you need to get started. You've earned your savings, and now it's time to protect it. The economy is unpredictable, but with a gold IRA, you'll have the peace of mind knowing your wealth is secure. So, if you're ready to learn more and take the next step toward protecting your future, click the link in the description to get your free gold IRA guide and schedule your free consultation. Remember, there's no obligation to buy anything. Just a quick educational call to see if this is the right fit for you. Don't wait until it's too late. Gold is an investment that doesn't flinch in a bear market. It stands strong when everything else falters. Protect your wealth today and ensure that the future you've worked so hard for remains secure.